We young and alive. Everybody outside, everything nice. Play hot, but we still all our vibes. Island girls, them girls I might like. Trinidadian girls, them girls I might.
Okay, I am ready. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Playhawttt, hot as in fire. So I am super excited to be collaborating with a group of awesome content creators straight out of sweet T&T, my homeland. Hopefully this series can give you some ideas if you are a content creator, or maybe you're just starting out your YouTube channel or anything like that. You can see what type of equipment we use. We have an array of different content creators on this project. They make different videos. I'm pretty sure you may be able to relate. You can learn anything from how to make a music video, what it takes to make a music video with Ziggy ranking, to what it takes to build a drone, what type of setup you may need to show tutorials like just Barran. So please do me a favor and check out all the content creators. I'm telling you, you are not going to regret it. Don't see I didn't tell you, I'm telling you. Go check their videos out. So let us get into my setup. So before we get started, I don't want all you to think all you need to go and run out and buy a set of equipment before all you start all the channel, or before all you start creating content. You don't need all of this. However, I did accumulate all these equipments over times, many a Christmases and many a birthdays. Okay, what Jolano does say? Okay. So let's get into my 3 setups. Okay guys, so we are starting off with my vlogging setup, my outdoor setup if you want to call it that. We have my Osmo Action, and what I love about this camera the most is there is a screen in the front so you can see yourself. I love that. It's great for vlogging, and this camera is a beast. You can get anything from slow motion, time lapses, hyperlapses, 60 frames per second. It has like an inbuilt stabilization, a lot of stuff. This camera is beautiful. I have a 128 gig memory card in here. I usually have the Rode mic on this, but I'm using it on this camera and you're gonna see it in a second. I have it on top of a flexible tripod, so that way, you know, I can grip it onto anything that I want to make it, you know, stay. I absolutely love this tripod. And then I have a mini ring light, because we all need that perfect lighting, especially if it's dark. Okay guys, right now I am coming to you straight from an extremely dark room. Like if you're outside at night, this is where the ring light is gonna come in. I'm gonna put it on and you're gonna see a big difference. Voila, here we are, and this is the light, and it has like 3 different tones. We have a little darker tone, and that's the settings. And that's why I love this setup. It works in the night, it works in the day, it does not matter. This outdoor setup is gold. So this is setup number 2. We have my cell phone and the OM3. And this is how it looks. Okay. This is a gimbal, guys, and it helps like stabilize your footage, and it comes with an app, and the app has some features, makes your video come out smooth and crisp, which I absolutely love. That's why I love this camera. It can follow you. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, so I love this gimbal. It's very affordable, and it makes your footage come out super smooth. No janky thing. I mean, like if you gotta use your cell phone, you can always get a gimbal. I'm telling you, game changer. Game changer. So I am talking to you straight from my phone now. I know, like I tell a big difference. It's not a big difference. It don't matter where you use it, it's how you use it, you dig? So you can use your cell phone, you can use an action camera, or you can use my setup number 3. This is my last setup. Let me show you. Okay guys, I'm recording off of my phone and this is my setup. I do have the Rode microphone. Yeah, so this is the Canon M50. I absolutely love this. I still use the kit lens. Maybe Christmas time is coming around the corner, who knows? But right now it's the kit lens. Hi. Yes, I absolutely love this camera. I have it on a tripod and this tripod is about 72 inches, I believe. I am a little bit tall, so I needed a tripod that could go really high. And we have my ring light. I did an unboxing for this ring light on my YouTube channel. I can link it in the description. And also I do have a dummy battery. I do have a dummy battery that I use. So this camera never goes dead when I'm filming. I actually got this dummy battery off of another channel, and I'm also going to link that in the description box where you can get new gear. But I'm telling you, sometimes you really want to check out what other people have to give you an idea of maybe what you may want to get. So I hope this was of some help. And this is my last setup. So when you see me doing all my sit down videos, this is the setup that I'm using. I only use this inside. So this brings us to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section, are you a content creator and what type of equipment are you using? Also, do not forget to go check out the other content creators on this project. I'm telling all you want to see what they are using because they put together some really good videos. Really good videos. So check them out. I'm leaving all their links in the description. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.